Now let's look into this a little more. Once you move to that 3PL, what happens to your existing agreements with the carriers?
Oh, they're gone. I mean, at that point, you've signed over the LOA. That carrier, yeah, that's the obvious first one that I just skipped over. I mean, if you don't understand that, it's not the end of the world, but you have signed that over. You are going to have to cancel, sign a letter of cancellation if you ever want to take those back over, and you add a bit of complexity. And the other side, when a carrier does an RFP, typically the play is going to be go to other carriers, right? That's the easiest. Let's be honest. I got to save you money if I'm a broker. I'm going to go put an RFP, and I'm going to really focus heavier on just going out to the market and finding other providers. What I'm hearing, like you mentioned, I was just on the road. I'm hearing a lot of good stories right now about carriers working very collaboratively with their, whether it be the same ship or the incumbent carrier, just finding solutions of what this next 12 months look like that work for both parties. So I would highly recommend working first with your incumbent carriers before trying to do a general RFP through a broker, because I think you'll find that there's alignment in what the industry is going to look like over the next 12 months.